Adjust the zoom so that the entire field area fills the screen. Open the map properties. Extent settings. Choose Custom Extent and select to calculate it from the current visible extent. Click the Coordinate Systems settings and verify that the map is set to WGS 1984 Web Mercator Auxiliary Sphere. We will be publishing this map, so take a moment to fill in the metadata. Click the Metadata settings. Title the map Hometown Mobile Collection. Assign some tags and write a brief summary and description. Give yourself credit for the map. Generate a thumbnail. Click OK to save all of the settings.